8255. Where is fuselage station number 137 located? A. 137 centimeters aft of the nose or fixed reference line. B. 137 inches aft of the zero or fixed reference line. C. Aft of the engine. The correct answer is B. Fuselage station number 137 is positioned 137 inches behind the zero or fixed reference line, which serves as a designated point for measuring the length of the aircraft's fuselage. Typically, this reference line is situated at the front or nose of the aircraft. By establishing such a reference point, precise measurements and spatial references can be made along the fuselage for various purposes, including design, construction, maintenance, and documentation. 8256. Proper wing twist in a sheet metal constructed wing can usually be checked by utilizing A. Plumb bob, string, and straight edge. B. Bubble level and special fixtures described by the manufacturer. C. Straight edge, tape measure, and carpenter's square. The correct answer is B. Checking the wing twist in a sheet metal constructed wing requires accurate measurement tools and fixtures specified by the manufacturer. A bubble level is commonly used to ensure the wings are leveled horizontally. Special fixtures or jigs provided by the manufacturer are designed to fit specific wing sections and assist in measuring the twist accurately. These fixtures help align the wing properly and ensure it meets the manufacturer's specifications for twist. 8257. The vast majority of aircraft control cables are terminated with swage terminals that must be A. Corrosion treated to show compliance with the manufacturer's requirements after the swaging operation. B. Pull tested to show compliance with the manufacturer's requirements after the swaging operation. C. Checked with a go-no-go gauge before and after to show compliance with the manufacturer's requirements after the swaging operation. The correct answer is C. Swage terminals are commonly used to terminate aircraft control cables, and it is crucial to perform pre- and post-swaging checks using a go-no-go gauge. These checks are essential to verify compliance with the manufacturer's specifications and ensure that the swage terminal is correctly formed. By conducting these inspections, the integrity of the terminal is confirmed, minimizing the risk of failure when the cable is subjected to operational loads. This meticulous process plays a vital role in maintaining the safety and reliability of the aircraft control system. 8258. What non-destructive checking method is normally used to ensure that the correct amount of swaging has taken place when installing swage-type terminals on aircraft control cable? A. Check the surface of the swaged portion of the terminal for small cracks, which indicate incomplete swaging. B. Measure the finished length of the terminal barrel and compare it with the beginning length. C. Use a terminal gauge to check the diameter of the swaged portion of the terminal. The correct answer is C. When swaging a terminal onto an aircraft control cable, it is important to ensure that the swage portion has been properly formed and meets the required specifications. One way to check this is by using a terminal gauge, which is a specialized tool designed to measure the diameter of the swage portion of the terminal. By comparing the measured diameter to the specified diameter, one can determine if the swaging process has been performed correctly. This method allows for a non-destructive evaluation of the swage terminal, ensuring its integrity and compliance with the manufacturer's requirements. 8259. When inspecting a control cable turnbuckle for proper installation, determine that A. No more than 4 threads are exposed on either side of the turnbuckle barrel. B. The terminal end threads are visible through the safety hole in the barrel. C. The safety wire ends are wrapped a minimum of 4 turns around the terminal end shanks. The correct answer is C. During the inspection of a control cable turnbuckle for correct installation, it is important to verify that the safety wire ends are wrapped around the terminal end shanks with a minimum of 4 turns. This ensures proper securing of the turnbuckle, minimizing the risk of it coming loose during flight. Adequate wrapping of the safety wire provides an additional layer of safety, maintaining the integrity of the control cable system and promoting safe aircraft operation.